In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age on Steam. This walkthrough will show you how to trigger Steam's age verification prompt. Enter the correct birth date. And refresh it if you pick the wrong year or run into issues. Start by launching Steam on your computer or phone. Once it's open, head straight to the store. The age check only appears in the store, not in your library, so make sure you are browsing the store section before you continue. Next, search for any age-restricted game or video using the search bar. Titles with mature ratings will do the trick. Open one of those product pages, and Steam will display the age verification prompt. If you don't see it, double check that you are actually on a product page within the store and not elsewhere in the app. On the age gate screen, you'll see drop-downs for month, day, and year. Use those fields to enter your correct birth date. Be accurate here. If you are 18 or older and you need access to mature content, make sure the year reflects that. The goal is simply to verify your age so Steam can show the content that's appropriate for you. Once the date looks right, click Confirm or the equivalent button shown. Steam will apply that date for age verification during your current browsing session. After you confirm, the page should reload and reveal the full product details without the age gate. It's important to understand how Steam handles this data. The birth date you enter on this form isn't stored permanently across your account the way profile details are. Steam remembers it temporarily to meet legal and regional compliance requirements, and it may ask you again later if you return to age-restricted pages, especially after some time has passed or you switch devices. If you accidentally entered the wrong year or the gate seems stuck, the quickest reset is to sign out of your Steam account. Then, go back to any age-restricted store page. The verification form will reappear, letting you re-enter the correct date and proceed normally. If problems persist, you can clear Steam's built-in browser cache. On the desktop app, go to the top left menu and open Steam. Then choose Settings. Select the In-Game tab and click Delete next to delete web browser data. After that, restart Steam. This clears cached web content used by the store pages and often resolves stubborn age-gate behavior. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.